Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trezor to OpenSea for gas efficient listings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Trezor wallet to OpenSea for gas efficient listings, start by ensuring your Trezor device is set up and functioning. Visit the Trezor website and download the Trezor Bridge if you haven't done so already. Open the Trezor Bridge application on your computer. Connect your Trezor device to your computer using the USB cable. Once connected, unlock your Trezor wallet by entering your PIN. Next, open your preferred web browser and go to the OpenSea website. In the top right corner, click on the wallet icon to begin connecting your wallet. Select the option for Trezor from the list of available wallets. A new window will pop up requesting you to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to select your Trezor device and allow OpenSea access. You may need to confirm the connection on your Trezor device by approving the request. Once connected, you will see your Trezor wallet balance and assets displayed on OpenSea. For gas-efficient listings, consider setting your transaction settings to optimize gas fees. When listing an item, review the gas fee suggestions provided by OpenSea. Select the desired gas price and confirm the listing. Monitor your transaction status to ensure your listing is successful. With these steps, you are now ready to utilize your Trezor wallet on OpenSea efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.